Hey, what's up, Credit Movement community? It's Ryan. This is episode 58. As promised, we're going to do a breakdown of each section of the credit score, and then I'll do a follow-up to each video with some things, some tips, some advice, some tricks, things to do to improve on that section of the score that was covered in the previous video. So 35% of the score is payment history, guys. It's obviously the biggest and most important section. It equates to about 192.5 points if you figure the scale is 300 to 850. That being said, what factors into your payment history? Well, bad stuff, right? Late payments, collections, charge-offs, public records like judgments, tax liens, bankruptcy. Now, I'm going to talk also about, in the follow-up video, about the errors and the things that you can do to correct those errors. But payment history is the biggest and most important section of your score, so be sure you pay your bills on time. Like our page, share our posts, and keep coming back for more.